We just made it to Thailand, and that was the longest trip I've ever had. Bye-bye, love you. That was the longest trip. We're in Thailand right now, and it's been 10 years since me and Francesca have been alone out of the country together, and so we're excited about this adventure for sure with no kids for 2 weeks, 14 days with no kids, which is amazing and a little sad at the same time. So we're here at my buddy Bon's house. He lives here in Thailand, and he's gonna show us around the city today. Day numero dos in Thailand. Is that weird that I'm speaking Spanish in Thailand? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here. I didn't vlog much yesterday because we were having such a great time. We went to Bangkok and hung out at a couple temples and then took a boat ride around an island that's in the middle of Bangkok, kind of between two river conjoinances. What do we call that? Where two rivers come together. So there's a little island there. It was pretty big, and people live on it, and there's like a market there, and then had some amazing food last night at kind of an outside restaurant, and it's been a cool experience. I'm realizing, however, it's hard to vlog when you're doing it and remember to like talk. Otherwise, nobody knows what's going on. It's just a bunch of video. So I'm gonna try to do a little better at that, but being in Thailand makes me want to travel the world a little bit more, I guess. I'm like looking at this map and realizing how close proximity you are to all these other cool countries, and I'm like, man, I could kind of do this forever. So today on the agenda, Bon had his friend basically be our tour guide for the day. So we're gonna go to the Emerald Temple, and then a few other things, and then we gotta make it to the airport. We fly to Chiang Mai, up in the northern part of the country, to visit there for like 5 days. And then we go to Krabi, which is down in the southern part, towards the islands. So we're gonna spend a week down in the islands, which is the best way you could probably spend the last part of your vacation. So anyways, peace.
are downtown Bangkok, and we have had no luck trying to get into either the temple or the palace because of dress code. You have to have long sleeves and pants, which is absolutely insane because it's hot as hell here. So we're now waiting for Bang, and he was one of Bond's friends, and he was showing us around town. So we're waiting for him to come and pick us up. And then we are on our way to the airport to go to Chiang Mai, which is going to be a cool experience to try to muscle our way through Thailand without any help. So hot, but ready to go and see Chiang Mai. Experience been, babe, so far?
My experience has been fantastic. Jason, on the other hand, he needs some help.
Wait, what? What are you saying?
I have to translate everything for him.
Yeah, you do have to translate. I don't know. The irony is, I'm the Asian one and she understands their broken English better than I do.